Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here on this Facebook Live, eventually on YouTube. All right. Welcome to my Facebook Live, okay? Eventually on YouTube, the Dominoes 7 show, okay? All right. So, if y'all read the title of the story, not the story of the video, so I'm about to play with some mardi gras stuff, okay? All right. Look what I got. A sword. And there's a button right here. It's broken. What the heck? Ain't that some bull crap? Oh, well, what the heck? Okay. Got me a sword. The Saints logo. Oh, it's a Mardi Gras logo. Woohoo. Okay. La la ha ha. Or turn this into a sword. A gourd. Ha ha ha. Okay. All right. Never caught these, but hey, here we go. Let's go get 'em. Happy Mardi Gras, Mardi Gras. Mardi Gras mumbo, 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 Mardi Gras mumbo, 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 Mardi Gras mumbo. Down in New Orleans City. Ha ha. Yep. I opened the umbrella in the house. Oh, well, what the heck. Sorry, folks. All right. What else I got? So much stuff. Woo. Yep. Okay. I got me what the heck is this? I don't remember this. What the heck is this? Got this. Ooh. Ooh. All right. Okay. Now, got some clear frisbees. Woo! Good frisbees. Okay. So here we go. Wee! Woo! Y'all saw that? Okay, here we go. Okay. Wee! Let me try that again. Okay. Here we go. Whee! Woo! Ain't this crazy, y'all? Yes. Okay. Got a lot of fruits in my head. Limitation of my life. Limitation pulling the bleats. I'm not so free. Money good time is over, and everything else. Coming to me. I don't understand myself, and I don't even know what I said. Take this crap off. What the heck? Showing off like crazy, huh? Oh. Look at this. A ring that glows. Ring that lights up. Imagine somebody using this as an engagement ring. What? Frisbee that lights up. Frisbee. I gotta light the frisbee. Ooh, ooh. Frisbee. 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 Hello, Mr. Frisbee. Hello, fruit headband. Where are you, fruit headband? Watch me my frisbee bun. Hello, fruit bandit, bended. Want you meet my frisbee, like frisbee. Woo! Yup. I'm not gonna throw Mr. Gramby. Who is Mr. Gramby? I don't know who that is. Okay. All right. That's all the fun that I have, okay? So I'll talk to y'all another time, okay? All right, bye.